Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about quick access toolbar, which is located here. This toolbar is very useful when we are working with different commands. You can add your favorite shortcuts here, so you will be able to access them very quickly. That's why it is called quick access toolbar. Let's say if you want to color your font, let's say font see, it is here. So it has the same functionality as this one. See, the same thing, and I have added here. Let's see how we can customize this quick access toolbar, and then you can add your favorite ones. I have added just the calculator for your reference, and I have clear filter. So let's see how we are going to add these shortcuts up here, right? So first I am going into file, and then I am going into options. There is a quick access toolbar. Here you can add or remove all these things. Let's say I am going to remove calculator, and let's say I am going to remove form as well. Instead of that, I am going to add something. Let's say you can select all commands, and you can choose. There are a heap of functions that you can choose. So I am trying to locate, let's say, email. I'm going to add it here. Okay. So let's say you were working on some important document, and in that instance you want to email it to somebody. Let's say you just click on this, and I have not configured my email. However, if you do it, it will be coming into your email box. If you have email registered for your email connected with this Office 365, it will be automatically going to your email box. You can try, and let me know in the comment section if there are any errors that you see. However, you will be able to email it in that instance. You can save it. Whatever thing you want to do, you will be able to do. And similarly, if I go into my PowerPoint, again it has the same functionality. Most of these O365 apps has this functionality. Options, again quick access toolbar. You can pick and choose whatever you want, and that will help you to get things done very easily. Let's say you put this on presentation mode, so you can add this shortcut here, unless you will be able to go into this, and you will have to start playing them from beginning. However, this quick access toolbar gives you a additional edge on finding your favorite shortcuts. Hope you have enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and if you like our content and our videos, don't forget to share with your friends and like us. Thank you. Bye for now.